Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. My focus is to incorporate more protein, more fiber, and more healthy fats in my life, and I'm here to share some recipes that have been working for me with you. So today we're making something that I recently discovered you can do. You can bake steel cut oats. So I'm going to share the recipe with you on how to bake these steel cut oats. You get 6 servings. It's about 14 grams of protein per serving. That will depend on the type of milk you use. If you choose to use eggs, you can also use flax eggs here. So it is quite versatile and quite customizable. I'm going to do a baked apple steel cut oats, but you don't have to add the apple. You can add blueberries if you like, or you don't have to add any fruit if you don't want to. So the sweetener of choice that I used here was maple syrup, and it's very, very little amount. You don't have to use any sweetener if you don't like, or you can use any type of sweetener that you like. Again, quite customizable. It is in the oven for about 1 hour. It is best that you cover the steel cut oats for the first 30 minutes. And then for the additional 30 minutes, you're going to remove the covering. Really fantastic. It lasts in your fridge for, I don't know, about 5 days. You can add some Greek yogurt after when they're cooked. You can add some more milk if you like to really up the protein. You can add more fruit. You can add some nut butter, whatever you like. So this recipe is a keeper, especially if you are a fan of steel cut oats. So why don't we learn how to bake steel cut oats? We're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to grease a 9x9 baking pan. We're going to add 1.5 cups of steel cut oats. I'm using the quick cooking, but you can use the regular steel cut oats here as well. Next, I'm adding a chopped apple. This is 1 medium-sized Honeycrisp apple that I've chopped. You can use a Royal Gala, you can use Granny Smith, whatever you like. And this is walnuts that have been chopped. You can also use chopped pecans, whatever you like. I'm going to grab a large measuring cup. This is a 4-cup measure. And I'm going to add 3 cups total of milk. I'm going to be adding 1.5 cups of almond milk and 1.5 cups of soy milk, unsweetened. This is 1/2 cup of applesauce. You can also use 1/2 cup of mashed bananas. I'm adding 2 large eggs. You can also use 2 flax eggs. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of almond butter. You can use any nut or seed butter that you like. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm using Ceylon cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. And a pinch of salt. And we're just going to give that a really good mix until everything is well combined. Next, we're going to grab our steel cut oats and we're going to pour the mixture over the oats, the apples, and the walnuts. Just take a minute once you've poured to ensure that all the liquid has got to the bottom of the pan. Using your whisk, using a fork, whatever you like. I'm going to place it on a baking sheet and I'm going to loosely cover it with foil for the first 30 minutes of baking. After 30 minutes, we're going to remove the foil and continue to cook for an additional 30 minutes. And after the 1 hour, here are your baked steel cut oats. Enjoy our apple baked steel cut oats. Have this with additional milk or some Greek yogurt. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these baked steel cut oats, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.